In this video, we will discuss the water coolant flow check on a DS5 touchscreen. The water coolant flow check activates water coolant to a handpiece without drive air or air coolant, allowing for precise water adjustment. Begin by opening the Settings menu. Select Equipment Settings, then Delivery System. Next, select Water Coolant Flow Check. To begin the flow check, lift the handpiece you would like to adjust and press Start. The timer will start and the water coolant will activate. Once the timer is complete, a chime will sound and the water coolant will stop. To adjust the water coolant flow check duration or chime, press and hold the timer you would like to adjust. Adjust the timer by selecting the minutes or seconds. Then use the plus and minus button to select your desired time. Press the back arrow to save your changes and return to the water coolant flow check screen. When you have finished your desired adjustments, press the Home button to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.